poor people used to invite the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, for dinner, and the meal at the dinner used to be something which was not very up to the mark. It used to be a dried chapati and also some dried fried fat. Yet the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, not only did the beloved, peace be upon him, attended those dinners, those invitations for dinners of the poor people, he used to sit with them and he used to eat the dried fruit with them. Such is an example of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He taught us compassion and love. Yet, what are we doing today? Are we on the path which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked us to follow?